Affinity is incredible at auto-tracking your emails and meetings, but it simply lacks verbal deal intelligence without KrispCall. Affinity integrates with KrispCall to sync all phone interactions made with all investors and partners on the move. Sync contacts on the go, log all call and SMS activities, and even make calls and send SMS right inside your Affinity account without losing any intel. Simply connect them in a few steps. First, sign up. Then log into your KrispCall account. Go to Settings, then to Integrations, and click on Marketplace. Search for Affinity, click on it, and add it to KrispCall. Now to get API credentials, head over to your Affinity account. Here in Settings, navigate to Manage Apps. Click on New App, fill in the details, and click on Add App. Next, copy the key, enter it in KrispCall, then Submit. And your integration completes successfully. Once connected, simply customize its integration settings. Easily use toggles to enable or disable data sync preferences for contacts and notes. Further down in the workflow settings, configure specific log activities to be synced as you need. And in the tab for connected numbers, add one or multiple numbers to be used in Affinity for calls and SMS. With setup fully complete, start by creating contacts in KrispCall. Either create them one by one or upload them in bulk and head over to your Affinity account to check it. The contacts are already synced and updated in real time, saving your time from repetitive tasks. Now, there's no need to go back to KrispCall to reach out to your investors, partners, and your clientele. But make sure to install the KrispCall Dialer extension on your browser before you start making calls and sending SMS. Then, in your Contacts overview, click on the KrispCall icon beside the contact number and select the call option. As the dialer opens, simply dial and start talking to them without leaving the platform. During calls, even add notes directly in the dialer. Once the call ends, their logs, recordings, and the notes you've made get updated instantly in the notes section of specific contacts. Also, sending them SMS is just the same. Upon clicking on the KrispCall icon, simply choose the SMS option. Then, in the dialer that opens, type your message and send it. The SMS log for all incoming and outgoing texts gets updated in Affinity without extra hassle. And if you missed any of the important calls, don't worry about it. The voicemail syncs as links that you can directly listen to and make informed decisions for your next big equity deal. With Affinity integrated in KrispCall, every phone conversation becomes part of your relationship and networking timeline. Your team gets cleaner context, faster follow-ups, and fewer manual updates while staying focused on moving deals forward. Keep every conversation organized in Affinity on the go. Visit KrispCall.com to book your demo today.